In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji to Google Drive files and folders. To get started, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where you can access all of your documents, folders, and other stored items. If you use Google Drive often, adding emojis can be a simple way to make things easier to spot at a glance and keep your workspace feeling more organized and visual. Once you're on the home page, click on My Drive in the left-hand column. This will take you to the section where your personal files and folders are stored. From here, you'll be able to choose exactly which folder you want to update. Next, find the folder you want to add an emoji to and click the three dots next to it. This opens the options menu for that folder. In the menu, click Rename. A small rename window will appear, and this is where you can edit the folder name. Now type the emoji into the name field. You can place it at the beginning of the folder name, at the end, or wherever it makes the most sense for your system. Some people use emojis to mark project types, priorities, or categories, so feel free to choose something clear and easy to recognize. After adding the emoji, click OK to save the change. Your folder name will now update, and the emoji should appear right in Google Drive, along with the rest of the folder title. Once you've done that for folders, you can use the exact same method for files as well. Go back to your items in My Drive and locate the file you want to update, then click the three dots next to that file to open its options menu. From there, click Rename. Just like before, a rename field will appear, so you can edit the file name directly. Type the emoji into the name field. Again, you can place it wherever you want in the name, depending on how you prefer to organize your files. When you're happy with the updated name, click OK. Google Drive will save the new file name, and the emoji will now appear with that file. And that's it. As you can see, adding emojis to folders and files in Google Drive is really just a matter of renaming them. It's quick, simple, and a helpful way to make important items stand out without changing how Google Drive works.